Welcome to another session of Ebenezer Gain coaching classes. This is a numerical aptitude type problem for 2 marks. In the circuit shown in the figure, magnitude of the current to R2 is. So let us assume that magnitude is I. Okay. Let us assume that this magnitude is I and let us find out what it is. Now, when you go through a loop, if you add all the voltages, it should be zero. So I will draw the diagram plus minus 60 volt. Here R1 is where I have to find out what is the voltage across R. Now, this is a dependent source. I cannot remove a dependent source. So this is dependent on Vx. So 0.04 Vx. And here you have 3 ohm and we have assumed that the current I is passing through this. This is R2 and you have a 5 ohm which is R3 and this is also Vx. So Vx is actually 5 times I. IR is I into R is B. So Vx is 5. 5I. Voltage across R2 is voltage VR2 is since I is in the region, then you again put a plus here and a minus. If this is I and this is minus, so this current this current will be this current plus this current. So plus this current. So this current is current in this direction is 0.04 Vx. So the current in the opposite direction minus 0.04 Vx. So current here is actually I minus 0.04 Vx. I hope you understand. I minus 0.04 Vx is in this direction is I plus minus 0.4%. So draw VR2 is that's 3I. VR1 is 5 times I minus 0.04 Vx. Now I'll have to write Vx in terms of I. So this is 5 into I minus 0.04 times Vx is 5I. This is 5 into 0.04 into 5 is zero point 0.2. So 1 minus I minus 0.2I is 0.8I. 5 into 0.8 is 4I. So VR1 is 4I. So this is plus minus 4I. So I have the entire thing. So now I just put it into blocks and then solve the problem. So again I draw the circuit 5 ohm. So the drop here is 4I. Point 0.04 Vx. So this is 3 and the drop is 3I. And here you have 5. And the drop is 5I and it is also referred as Vx. And We have a 60 ohms. So we have plus minus 60 volt, then plus minus 4i, then plus minus 3i, plus minus 5i. So the convention uses minus plus is positive. So 60, this is negative, minus 4i, this is negative, minus 3i, this is negative, minus 5i equal to 0. So 60 minus 7 minus 5 minus 12. Minus 12i is equal to 0. 12i is equal to 60. I is equal to 60 by 12, which is 5 amps. So the answer is 5 amps. Thank you. God bless you.